gritty, painful process of failing, falling, and getting back up. He shared his story openly, how he lost his way, how he clawed back, and how the darkest times can teach you the most. People listened, not because he had all the answers, but because he was living proof that it was possible to push through anything. Jordan began documenting his journey on social media not for likes, but to hold himself accountable. His posts were raw and real, capturing the highs and the lows. Over time, his following grew. People from all over began reaching out, thanking him for being honest, for being vulnerable, and for reminding them that struggle wasn't weakness, it was a forge for strength. But life wasn't done testing him. Just as things began to stabilize, his mother's health declined rapidly. The doctors said she had weeks at most. The news shattered him, but this time, he didn't retreat into darkness. He stayed by her side, talked with her, held her hand, and made her laugh even in her final days. She passed away peacefully, proud of the man her son had become. In the aftermath of her passing, Jordan faced a crossroads. He could have let grief consume him, but he chose to honor her by continuing the work he had started. He launched a community initiative called Push Through, focused on mental resilience, fitness, and personal growth. What began as a small support group turned into a regional movement. People came not for a polished program, but for the shared truth that hardship didn't have to define you, it could refine you. Jordan's story became a beacon. He began speaking at schools, prisons, rehab centers, and corporate events. He wasn't just telling his story anymore, he was teaching others how to find their own fire. His message was simple but powerful. You are stronger than you think, and your current pain can become your future strength if you don't quit. Years passed, and Jordan's life transformed in ways he could never have imagined. He earned his degree, opened a gym that doubled as a mentorship center, and wrote a book chronicling his journey. He married, started a family, and never forgot the town that had once felt like a trap. In fact, he invested in it, reviving community centers, funding scholarships, and training young leaders. What made Jordan's story resonate wasn't that he became rich or famous. It was that he became resilient. He showed the world that no matter how far you fall, no matter how broken you feel, there is always a way forward. It starts with one step, one push, one rep, one choice to keep going when everything in you screams to give up. The truth is, motivation isn't about hype or catchy slogans. It's about purpose. It's about finding something bigger than your excuses, something worth fighting for. Tough times will come. Life will hurt. You will be tempted to quit. But if you dig deep, if you lean into the pain and push through the storm, you will emerge stronger. Not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Jordan often ended his talks with this line: "Your pain is real, but so is your power. Don't waste your struggle, use it. Let it shape you, not shatter you." And those words, forged in the fires of his own hardship, carried weight. So wherever you are right now, whether you're climbing, falling, or stuck in the middle, know this: you're not alone. Every champion you admire, every success story you hear, began in a place of doubt, fear, and resistance. But they didn't stop. They pushed through. And so can you.
Please subscribe this channel.